How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? How we doing, my people? This is Analyzing with Dorado Effects. As you know, this is no financial advice. It's only a review what we think it can happen in the market. But guys, always check for confirmations. But anyways, has been amazing, 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 amazing. As you know, it has been a big rally, hitting targets again and again and again and again. So if you're not following, it's because you don't want to. That's the only thing I can say. We've been giving this forecast for free more, at least more than a year it has been, or probably 2 years maybe. I don't know, the time flies. But here we are, like gold, flying, flying, times fly. Anyways, so guys, we're trying to engage with you, but we want your support. That's the only thing we want. We want you to watch this video. We want you to take benefit. We want you to share with us. We want you to come to our community. We want you to do uh, what you're supposed to do. Support. Only that. So it's no more than that we're asking for. That's why we provide this forecast daily so you can benefit from the market. So here we go. Here we go. Guys, we have key prices this time. So the zones that can be taken from the key prices if you understand the market. But for now, if the price remain above 4,180, very clear that Bulls is gonna keep in control. But something that's gonna confirm that control would be if the price during Asia go above 4,219, close above and keep pushing. All right, and then come back and retest. So something like that. Go up, close, come down, retest, and go up without coming down to 4,000, below 4,180. But very important price, 4,152. That's a key price. Meaning, if gold decided to come down and clear all these wicks down here, very likely that we're gonna have a retest around this price. But we're gonna be careful. We're gonna check confirmation. Remember our key price is 4,120. That is a very important level because that is when where we're probably gonna go for a proper deep retracement to keep joining the bias. So just be careful. Remember, check confirmations. But this is what it is. This is what right now what we're doing, following the trend. It's no more than that what we're doing right now. It's following the trend. Gold is going up. We're trying to go up with gold. That's the only thing we can recommend here, Dorado Effects, in this forecast that we do. Anyways, congratulations for those who are taking advantage of this forecast. There's many people making the living from this. There's many people making some serious bread from these entries, from this forecast. So congratulations for those. Uh, they know who they are. We don't have to rebuild their identity, but congratulations. Just all the best for you guys. So talking about now, we see in the daily time frame, invert the head and shoulder in our lovely Bitcoin. So we can identify the head here, right? Which very good. And then if we keep moving, there is one of the shoulders right here, and the other shoulders here sometimes is relatively uh, a shoulder, but we see that if we don't have confirmation again of the price bouncing from the trend line, very likely that Bitcoin is gonna keep retesting lower levels. But the only good news for the buyers is that the price remain above 100,000 and then they can buy again. But most likely, there's a lot of liquidity sitting in here below this trend line and below these zones. So it could be a move like that probably the Bitcoin lovers are looking. But once again, we want to see the price going above 170,000 once again, 119,383. So we want to go to see that the price pushes up. But it's looking like it's gonna go for a correction. So be careful with for the Bitcoin lovers because it could be very interesting what happened with the Bitcoin. For now, a key level is 105,157. So just for you to know, guys, and we have this low here, which is very important low. 98 to 98,254. Okay, so Bitcoin lovers, just be careful. We're gonna say we still respecting the support, the trend line, and everything. But you know how it is. The move can come suddenly from anywhere. Like he did that sudden move the other day, and it was crazy. Anyways, be careful. That's the only thing we can say. So now moving on, moving on. El Dorado FX free, guys. It's totally free every single day, 1 to 2 signals for you in gold. And you know, the people is making the bread. Look at this one. Amazing buy. Congratulations for those who bought gold. And it was a very, very nice target. It was plus 60 pips. So congratulations. There is people making money, as you can see, from 60 pips. So look at this, nice entries, people that are members of Dorado FX Premium or El Dorado FX Free, sharing the results. There's another results here, 241. There's another one here, 1,000 per day. So people making probably 20, 30,000. There's people also making this with 0.03 lots. So you see serious money making from the forecast, from the signal. So congratulations for those who follow El Dorado FX Free and especially El Dorado FX Premium. Amazing results today, plus 100,000. Yeah. So basically, sorry, 1,110 pips. 1,110 pips in El Dorado FX Premium, achieving swing setups, scalping, and everything that we try. Anyways, guys, this was Analyzing with El Dorado FX. We hope that you like this forecast. We hope that you click the bell. We hope that you share it with everyone. We hope that you basically join us at Dorado FX Premium, Dorado FX Free, wherever. But we're here for you. Anyways, take care. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.